Hello guys, welcome back to the Brutal Investors channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. In this episode, we're going to talk about a project that will get listed on Coinbase soon, but at the time of making this video, this token hasn't been released on Coinbase yet. And this token is called the Kryll token or the KRL token, right? Again, as always guys, I highly recommend you guys to do your own research on any of the projects we cover in our channel. And for this project, I recommend you guys to go to the website kryll.io, which is KRYLL.io, in order to learn more about this project, right? So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to rely on the information presented on CoinMarketCap's page at the bottom. But this is only going to be a peripheral analysis, which means you need to do your own in-depth research before you put your hard-earned money on this token, right? So what are they saying about the Kryll project on CoinMarketCap? So launched on the 7th of February 2018 by a team based in France, Kryll.io describes itself as a zero dev skill automated strategies building platform. Users can create and run crypto trading strategies on the cloud 24/7 through a drag and drop editor. So right off the bat, they're talking about the origin of this project, which was on 7th of February 2018, and this project was created by a team that's based in France, right? And they created this project called Kryll.io, which describes itself as a zero dev skill automated strategies building platform. So it's a platform that's used to build automated strategies with little to no developer skill required, right? And it's a platform where you can create and run crypto trading strategies on the cloud system on 24/7, which is pretty much anytime you want, through a drag and drop editor, which means it's similar to a project called Furucombo. So Furucombo, if you guys don't know, I've made I think 2 to 3 videos on that already in my channel. So if you guys want to check that out, please do that on my channel. Furucombo is a project that tries to make DeFi simple by making each DeFi activity or each DeFi action as a combo or a cube, right? So what you can do is, let's say for example, if you want to provide liquidity to a particular pool, instead of going to Uniswap or SushiSwap or some other DEX and creating a pair and providing liquidity manually, you can just go to Furucombo and provide liquidity through one of their liquidity cube, which will do it in a drag and drop manner, which is very easy and simple for people to understand DeFi, right? It's one of my favorite projects, so I definitely recommend you guys to check out that video. So similar to that, Kryll is doing the exact same thing or a similar concept by dragging and allowing users to drag and drop editors. But what they are doing a little bit differently is they are using cloud services to do crypto trading strategies. So you can use their services to do crypto trading strategies in a fully automated manner through their drag and drop editor, right? A marketplace is available and allows users to choose from hundreds of strategies created by the community. More experienced traders can create their own strategies with complex technical indicators such as RSI, SMA, WMA, BOLL, MACD, etc. Right? So you have a lot of opportunities to create your own strategies through these indicators, right? And also they have a marketplaces available as well, which allows users to choose from hundreds of strategies that are created by the community. So if you want to go to a particular, if you want to use a particular strategy, you can just go to their marketplace to take a customized strategy that they've, that's already created for you in order to use it for your crypto trading, right? So that's basically how this platform works. And without any programming knowledge, you can use these strategies to do trading, right? Automated trading. So similar to every project, they also have a native token called the KRL token. So the KRL token is the fuel for the Kryll platform. It allows users to run strategies. So again, if you want to run strategies, the only requirement that you would need to have is you need to have the Kryll token or the KRL token, and this allows you to do pretty much anything on the platform in a fully fully controlling, self-controlling manner. So you can basically control your own activities within the platform using the KRL tokens, right? So that's basically the overview of the Kryll token. So let's go to the website to find other information that they have. So right off the bat, you can clearly see that they state that the most powerful strategy editor is what they call themselves as. And if you see with Kryll's drag and drop editor, create your own trading strategies without any coding skills. Price triggers, candlestick colors, and pattern analysis, technical indicators such as MACD, Ichimoku, Bollinger Bands, and much more. The only limit is your imagination. So again, you can pretty much see this is their kind of like the layout or the user interface where you can create your own strategies using several advanced as well as basic tools as well. So I know it may sound a little complicated, and visually it may also look very complicated, but overall it's a very good tool that traders can use to create their own automated trading strategy, right? So that's pretty much the main focus of this platform. Our advanced and comprehensive tool helps you to make profitable trades. And some of their main components are, cloud computing. Our platform runs 24/7. Turn off your computer and let Kryll do the job. So again, for people who are wondering how they can use this, whether they can use this platform for during time where their PC or laptops are having a downtime, or if they are turning off their laptop, will their strategy still work, right? So it seems like yes, their strategies, they allow for people's strategies to still work 24/7, even when your computer is turned off, right? So Kryll will basically do the job for you. And the second component is Pro Mode. TradingView integration allows you to perform powerful technical analysis. Again, for more advanced traders who want to perform much more detailed technical analysis, they can use Pro Mode, which will provide advanced technical analysis through TradingView integration, right? And they also have free back tests, which are basically back tests your strategies free of charge without any constraints. Again, you can use their free back test to back test your strategies without any charge, right? Or constraints, right? So that's also pretty possible here. No subscription, pay for what you use. Back tests are free and unlimited, so you don't have to worry about basically paying for anything extra or unnecessary. You only pay for what you use, and back tests are, as we discussed already, are free and unlimited, right? They also have high security. Kryll connects directly to your exchanges. API withdrawal rights are not required. So since their platform basically connects with your exchange, with the preferred exchange directly, there's no real API withdrawal rights requirements, and they are fully responsive. Choose and run strategies from your smartphone or tablet. So again, you can do that through their tablet, through their app on a tablet or a smartphone without any issues, and they also provide customer support as well, right? So that's basically what Kryll.io is. So you can also see some of the testimonials here from some of the people who use their product and trade on your favorite exchanges. So again, they offer a wide variety of exchange where you can trade from, including Binance, Binance US, Bittrex, Liquid, KuCoin, Kraken, HitBTC, and FTX as well. They trust us. So these are some of the companies that work with the Kryll.io. Again, you can clearly see Binance is working with this project. So Binance, FTX, Liquid, as well as KuCoin. So some of the most popular centralized exchanges are working with them. So I don't know what they trust us mean. I don't know if they're working with as a partner or if they're investors, but it seems like there's some form of connection between some of the popular centralized exchanges and Kryll.io in order to make this happen, right? And this is their mobile app, and you can clearly see that it's quite a cool app interface with relatively ease of use functionality here, along with some of the other features as well, which you can basically test out on your smartphone. You can click on the login to download the app in order to download the app on your smartphone and try playing around with that, right? So Kryll is in the news, so they are available, they're being talked about in multiple news outlets, including, Bitcoin.com or investing.com, as well as Coin Academy, right? So Kryll.io is the first intuitive flow-based platform for a definition of automated trading strategies. So you can clearly see that they have a smart contract address here, which is what you need to use in order to purchase the right token to avoid scams, right? And they also have other information at the bottom, which is also very useful. So it's a pretty compact website with a relatively decent amount of information that will tell you what their project is all about. And in the top right corner, if you click on that one, you can pretty much find several information, because their platform is a paid to use service. Then you need to obviously look into pricing to see what kind of pricing they offer. So if you have a quick look, you basically pay per use, and 1% of your traded capital will be used to kind of like pay for their services, right? You have no no paid back tests. It's all fully free and unlimited, and you don't have to kind of like subscribe to anything or anything, right? So if you trade $1,000, you'll basically pay 33 cents or 0.24 Kryll for that particular amount. So you can kind of like use your calculator to see how much you can earn, right? So that's basically how it works, and it's a pretty cool platform with a very unique business model, and again, it's a pretty straightforward project to understand, right? So going back to their coin market cap page, you can clearly see that this token is ranked 594th by market cap on coin market cap, and is currently trading at $1.37 at the time I'm making this video, with a 10.7% increase in the past 24 hours. Again, the token is a relatively less well-known token based on its market cap, and obviously Coinbase is continuing to list a lot of low market cap tokens, and they're doing that way more frequently. Thereby, it's hard to kind of predict what kind of token or coin that they're going to list in the future, right? So, having said that, immediately after their announcement, these token prices significantly pump like crazy. And even though this announcement from Coinbase was only made yesterday, this token was already pumping, and now it's kind of like slowly cooling down, and even when it's cooling down, it's still up 10.74%, right? So it's pretty cool. And if you take a look at the market cap is only $51.1 million in market cap, so it's quite a small market cap token, which definitely has a high potential to grow. Again, this platform is mainly focused on focusing on helping traders make automated trades in a much more flexible and user-friendly manner. So it's kind of like targeting a very small niche group. A majority of the people are not traders, and people who trade, they kind of prefer to do trading manually, because they believe that their instincts will definitely help them, but it most likely doesn't. But they don't realize that, and therefore they don't necessarily end up making a lot of money by their own trading kind of like scheme, right? So I think this project is kind of like a niche project which focuses on providing good services to traders. For an investor like me, I don't really find this token offering me any unique valuable proposition, right, in order for me to invest in this token. But I do believe that this token can definitely be a good token to have if you are a trader and if you want to create your own trading strategies, right? So based on that, I would probably say that this token can definitely increase in market cap, but I don't think this token will have a significant increase in market cap, because it's not really offering anything for everyone, right? It's only offering for a particular group of people who are traders and who want to use automated trading. So I think that's one of the only kind of like low downsides about this project. And if you see the token supply, the max token supply or the total token supply is about 49.4 million tokens, out of which about 37.2 million tokens are already in circulation. So again, out of close to 50 million tokens as a max, as a total supply, which is a pretty cool number because it's definitely adding scarcity to the token, about 37.2 million tokens are already in circulation. So again, there's a majority of the tokens in circulation, and I believe that the newer tokens that will get circulated and dumped into the market won't really have a significant price slumping unless every token holder who holds their Kryll token starts dumping, right? So I think the tokenomics wise, this token has a very strong tokenomics, and I believe that this token is definitely going to pump if there's a lot of demand for it, right, because of its extreme scarcity, right? And when it comes to the charts itself, you can clearly see that this token has pumped like ballistically immediately after the Coinbase listing announcement, and it hasn't really been listed on Coinbase yet. So I think this token can continue to pump, maybe even touch the $2 mark in the future, in the near future, which is about like 1 or 2 weeks from now, and maybe will crash heavily. But this token is extremely like hot right now, so I will definitely tell you what price points that if I were to invest in this token, what price points would I choose to invest in this token, right? So when it comes to the price point, price history itself, the token was worth 7 cents on 20th of July 2018, and it was literally doing absolutely nothing, maybe going up every once in a while, reaching the 12 cents mark, but that's the highest it has gone till 2020 of kind of like April of 2020, right? Which was when the token kind of went from its all-time lows of close to like 3 cents or 4 cents per token to it started going up to 14 cents per token, and it was pretty much not really doing a huge pump or anything like that until the December of 2020, when the token went from 13 cents per token to an all-time highs of about 59 cents per token during March of 2021 this year. And if you see, the token immediately crashed, reaching a relative lows of about 21 cents per token before moving a little bit up and down. But if you see, it was the actual true action started during the end of September, early October, when the token went from 22 cents per token to an ballistic all-time highs of about, I would probably say, close to $1.75 or $1.70, which was huge, because if you see, the token went from pretty much 22 cents or even less than 22 cents per token to an all-time highs of close to $1.80 per token, and now it's in the cooling off phase. And I think even in the cooling off phase, this token is significantly far away from its relative lows, right? So the relative lows were somewhere between 20 to 22 cents per token. This token is way higher here, like it's pretty much going to crash anytime soon. That's basically where this token is at this price at this point. And once it crashes, it's going to crash so hard that a lot of people will become wrecked, right? So if you're planning to buy this token right now, it's probably the worst time to buy this token, because you are still way closer to your all-time highs compared to your all-time lows, right? And I believe that that's going to definitely trigger a crash, which will definitely make this token dump like crazy, right? So I would probably suggest you to not buy this token at this price point. In fact, don't even buy this token below the don't even buy this token above the $1 mark, right? Because I think this token is definitely going to crash, and I think the floor will probably be somewhere between $1 and $1.10, which is probably where you should dollar cost average in if you want to buy this token in, right? But I would probably say that buying this token at this price point is literally like throwing money into the fire, right? So I think this is definitely going to crash anytime right now, and I think it will literally touch the $1 mark or even $1.10 mark, and then it will probably go down from there, right? So that's basically when you need to buy this token. Not financial advice, please do your own research, right? So when it comes to the Bitcoin comparative, you can clearly see that the Bitcoin comparative was actually much better with a real life to it, because in the dollar comparative it was pretty much flat until early this year, right? But if you see Bitcoin comparative, this token had some life and much more volatile opportunities on Bitcoin comparative. The token was initially worth about 1066 satoshis initially. It then reached an all-time lows or relative lows of about 696 satoshis per token, and then it went back up, making its first all-time highs during late early October 2018, and then it crashed down again, reaching 8,315 satoshis. But it made a ballistic all-time highs at the time of about 3,211 satoshis before crashing massively and touching the all-time lows about, I think, 558 satoshis per token. And then it was moving sideways, occasionally making pumps and dumps, and then it would pump and then dump, and then the real significant pump or parabolic pump, which still didn't match its previous all-time highs, happened a few weeks back when the token literally went from 5,579 satoshis to an all-time to close to its all-time highs of about kind of like 2,900 satoshis. It still hasn't touched its previous all-time highs yet of kind of like 3,100 satoshis, but it seems like this token is kind of in the reversing trend right now. So if you're looking to buy this token with some satoshis, you should wait until this token reaches some price below the kind of like 150 satoshi mark, which would probably be a good opportunity to enter into this token, right? But for now, if you see, this token is going to be extremely volatile, so you need to do your own in-depth research before you put your money on this token, because the Bitcoin comparative specifically is a very volatile price comparison for this token, right? So you need to be extremely careful with that. When it comes to the markets itself, you can pretty much buy this token from KuCoin and Liquid and HitBTC. So you can pretty much buy this token with USDT or BTC. If you want to buy it with ETH, you can buy it from Liquid exchange, but those are pretty much the main trading pairs, right? And as you see, this token is obviously like announced to be listed on Coinbase as liquidity criteria gets met. It hasn't yet been released as of now, but I think this token will definitely get listed on Binance, obviously, and will also get a Coinbase listing as well, right? And I feel like this token is definitely going to pump super hard. It will probably even get an FTX listing and also a kind of like other major exchanges also listing this token, right? Which will definitely pump the token price to an all-time highs of about close to $3 per token in the short term. But I think depending on how many people hold this token and use this token or stake this token on a regular basis, I think this token can probably fluctuate somewhere between $2 and $3, at a given time. But I think it will be very hard for this token to cross the $3 to $5 mark, because of its extremely narrow-minded approach of only focusing and targeting traders but not investors, right? Any project that gets developed these days needs to have a broader audience, otherwise they will definitely not succeed. So it's going to be only a matter of time before we see if the Kryll's project fans are loyal to their project and they continue to use this token for trading, right? So that's only going to be possible if there's a consistent demand and consistent newcomers who learn about this project and buy this token, right? Otherwise, this project doesn't really have a very uniquely bright future in the But I believe that for now, I think because of the Binance listing potentially coming in, as well as Coinbase listing that's going to come anytime soon, I think this token is going to literally pump quite crazy, and it can definitely touch the $3 mark per token, right? Again, remember guys, that's just my opinion, not financial advice. Please do your own research before you put your hard money on this token, right? Again, remember guys, you guys are not regular investors, you guys are brutal investors, so stay brutal. Thank you very much for watching my video guys. If you like my video, please click the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.